Hello everyone, Sarah Arp with Benish Real Estate, and this is our See It Now tour of 551 South 9th Street in beautiful Mitchell, Indiana. This house is so amazing. Look at the stonework around the door. That's just one of my favorite architectural elements of the home. It's so beautiful. Come on in. As you enter the home, you come right into the living room. It's a very large space, and it has this gorgeous fireplace. Just so nice. So wood-burning fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors. Check out this door frame. Isn't that awesome? I love that. And this leads right into the kitchen. Just beautiful color. Has gas range, and the stove and refrigerator will stay with the property. Has these vintage wooden kitchen cabinets, which are amazing. And in here, you have the door that goes out to your backyard, and it's your utility room. Has your HVAC system, hot water heater, and you can put your washer and dryer in here. Can be like your little mud room when you come in from the backyard. And if you come this way, you'll find your 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Bathroom is here, and here are your 2 bedrooms. I'll let you take a look. This home has so much potential if you are interested in putting your own finishing touches on it. Large bedrooms and a nice bathroom. This would make a perfect investment property, or if you're interested in rental properties, or a perfect home for you. I just love the arched doorways in here. Now I want to take you outside and show you the backyard because it is awesome. Has this beautiful mature tree in the front yard. Lots of landscaping, it just needs a little trimming. And the backyard is fully fenced. Be the perfect place for playing with your pets. Has a fire pit, plenty of room for a clothesline, and your 1-car detached garage, and a little patio for your patio furniture. Such a peaceful space. Thank you so much for joining me on the See It Now tour of 551 South 9th Street. If you'd like to take a look, let me know. I'd love to show it to you. Until next time, bye-bye.